Today, we will talk about how to grow a sweet potato vine indoors. Let's have a look at the details. Sweet potato vines are known for their delicious tubers and beautiful, trailing vines that make a lovely addition to your indoor plant collection. The best part about these plants is that they are easy to grow and take care of. This video will teach you how to grow a sweet potato vine from a sweet potato, how to care for your new houseplant, and give you ideas on how to display it in your home. The first method is sprouting slips from your sweet potato. Buy an organic, untreated sweet potato. Sweet potato vines are grown from slips, which are the stems that grow from a mature sweet potato. Most of the sweet potatoes you find in a store are treated with chemicals that prevent slips from growing, so look for organic, untreated sweet potatoes at your local farmer's market. You can also ask if any of your friends or neighbors have a sweet potato they can spare from their garden. Put your sweet potato in a jar or glass of water. Your sweet potato needs lots of water to grow slips. Suspend your potato in a glass of water by poking 4 toothpicks around its middle. Then, balance the exposed toothpicks over the edge of your jar or glass, so that the top half of the potato sticks out of the container. Set your sweet potato in front of a sunny window. Choose a window where your slips will get a lot of warm light, and where you can watch them grow. Make sure the temperature doesn't drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that lots of healthy slips grow. Watch as the slips grow over the next 3 to 4 weeks. Several slips will begin to grow out of the top of your sweet potato in about 2 weeks. You will see the slips start to grow taller and sprout tiny, green leaves. Harvest the slips once they're about 6 inches tall. Gently twist at the base of each slip to remove it from the potato. Then, pull off most of the leaves on the stem, leaving only the 2 to 3 leaves at the very top. The second method is planting your slips. Place your slips in a small jar or glass of water. Then, set the slips in front of a sunny window to keep them warm. Monitor the slips for roots. Your slips will start growing roots after about 1 to 2 weeks. Plant the slips in a pot once the roots are about 1 inch long. Fill a small nursery pot with a drainage hole with a well-draining potting mix. The third method is caring for your sweet potato houseplant. Place the baby sweet potato plants near a sunny window to grow. Find a place where your sweet potato plant will get about 6 hours of direct light each day. Water your plant regularly so that the soil stays slightly moist. Sweet potatoes are considered drought tolerant, but thrive the best when they receive consistent watering. Fertilize your plant sparingly. Sweet potato plants will grow rapidly and healthily without fertilizer. However, you can encourage more growth with a multi-purpose houseplant fertilizer. Fertilize your sweet potato plant once a month and water it after so that the fertilizer disperses into the roots. Regularly prune your sweet potato plant to stimulate growth. As you check on your plant's growth, remove any dead and dying leaves that you see. Repot your sweet potato plant when it starts to crowd its pot. While sweet potato plants are fast growers, they typically only need to be repotted every few years. Propagate new sweet potato plants with vine cuttings. And the fourth method is displaying your sweet potato houseplant. Hang your sweet potato plant in a basket to trail. Sweet potato plants are vining plants and grow beautifully when trailing down from a high place. Create a support that your vines will climb up. Sweet potato vines also grow beautifully vertically, though they need guidance to grow upwards. Use an indoor trellis to spread upward. Surround your sweet potato plant with other houseplants. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.